Hello, my dear students and friends. Welcome to Eloquent English classes, and this is Jyoti. Friends, मैंने बड़ी बार three persons के बारे में आपसे बात की है. First person, second person, third person, tenses पढ़ाती बार भी और parts of speech पढ़ाती बार भी और ना जाने कब कब. So now it's high time to introduce you to these three persons. So let's get started. So there are three persons in English grammar. इंग्लिश ग्रामर में थ्री पर्सन्स होते हैं. फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन. I and we are first persons. You are second person. I and we are first person. You are second person. And he, she, it, they, Manju, Sanju, students, people, they are all third persons. Okay? तो आप ऐसे याद कर सकते हैं कि I am very important. I am and we are all first persons. You are also important. You are second person. They are also very important. So they are third persons. तो अब मैं जब भी आपको persons का नाम लूं, first person बोलूं तो आपको एकदम दिमाग में आना चाहिए कि I और we. Second person, you. Third person, he, she, it, they or any name. I hope now it's clear. And thanks for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.